In this video, I'm gonna show you how to start a new character in GTA 5 Online. First, go to GTA 5 Online, click Escape, and then click Online. Over here, you wanna click Swap Character, and then you wanna click Select, and then OK. Now it will take you to where you will swap your character. So as you can see here, you have some few characters you can choose from. So let's just choose this one on the right. So to choose it, just bring your mouse and select it, and then select it again. So here, as you can see, okay, now it's gonna load the new character. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Sometimes it takes a little while here. Okay, I think it loaded. Let's see if it's gonna load here. Should work right now. Okay, there it is. So I should have a new character. As you can see, this is a new character. You can change it to either male or female, like depending what you like. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.